Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here. Right, if you've been following the BBC Master Series, I am up to the stage of testing these. Now, I've got the parts I need to replace. I will be replacing parts in these, but I'm curious to see what exactly, if anything, is wrong with these. So, I'm going to plug that in. And I'm going to stick my tongue on the 5 volts to see if it works. Now, am I kidding? That's just stupid. Right, these should be the red and the black, and the other red. Where's the other black? Attached underneath it. These should be 5 volts, whereas the purple, or the mauve, should be -5. So, go down to 10. So I need to plug this in, see if it works. Now, let's get something off. Obviously, it's not attached to anything. And I have parts in here for replacement if and when this goes wrong. So, power is actually switched on. I'm actually going to leave that switched on. So let's try with, right, I've marked these up A and the other one's B. So we're going to test, I've marked this one with A, I haven't marked B on the other one. Let's see if this power supply works to start with. I'm ready, on. I hear crackling. This seems to have stopped. As soon as I see some smoke. No, that's fine. Right, let's try, shall we? What voltage does this have? This has 5 volts. That one has 5 volts. 5 volts. So let me try this should be -5 volts. Go backwards. So I'll turn it to negative. Now that, to me, it looks like a perfectly working, I'll assume you can see that, perfectly working -5 volts there. Will get replaced. Another noise from it. So power's off. So that's the first one tested, and I won't be touching that because I'm not bloody stupid anymore. Right, let's try the second one. That was just to keep the cables together while I was in here. So this looks a little bit worse for wear, so the A I'll probably have in. Switch seems a lot better. So let's try this one. This is the B. You ready? I'm plugged in. No, nothing. Okay. So let's try the cables. Red in the red, and I see them. That's already on negative. 5.2. It's not bad. Same as the other one. 5.2. The 5 volts there, so let's try the negative. The negative, let's put it in the purple. And the earth. 5 volts. So these actually do look like they're working fine. I just want to try the switch. So 5 volt on there, let's try the switch. Slowly dropping, so it doesn't drop straight away. I'm only drawing a little bit out of it for this. 5 back on, 5. So it looks like these actually do work fine, but I still need to strip them down. get the parts replaced. I've ordered some bits. Right. I must put a big, massive thumbs up. Retro Clinic. Not only does he supply the parts, but he gives you full instructions. I've also got as well a micro SPI, which is the almost solid state drive, which got a chip and the board to go underneath. So that's really good. So my parts in here are, I bought 3 sets. One capacitor, 2 of these. Yeah, you know, if you know what these are, you know what these are. Big, little, okay, right, big, little one. Because just in case, I've got 2 power supplies, yes. But if I cock them up, when I cock them up, it will be a case of I've got a spare. So I'm just preempting a little bit. Not with much. So that's almost dead anyway, so that's out of the wall. I know there's going to be some powdering around this. I'm expecting a shock anytime soon. So, they test fine. Do I dare put one in the BBC? Yeah. Give me a minute. I'm going to bring a BBC down. I'm going to bring the, not the best one, the other one. And I'm going to plug that in and see if it will work. So give me 2 minutes to get it all rigged up. And I'm gonna try to see what happens. Power supply in. It's quite good actually on here anyway, because it just tells you everything you need to do. It just say -5 volts there. Let's get you in. Move this around. Zoom you in. Come on, focus. Yeah, -5 volts there. +5. 0 volt. 0 V. Yeah, so that's 0 volts is your negative. Does actually say on all of these. So it's almost foolproof. +5, 0 VR. So it's not difficult to get wrong, but it's not easy either. Right, I've got the I'm going to use the composite out more than the RF, so at least I know where it's going to be. The TV is tuned in. I've got phono leads and I've got a couple of connections which transfer you the RNC, BNC, the BNC connectors, aren't they? In, and it's on. Whether that will work or not, I don't know. Also, while I'm here, with this being not powered on, I'm going to replace the batteries. So, one in. Because these need a 4.5 volt. The original one went in there, and I'm not modifying that. I'm just going back to the original, how this came to me with the battery modification. 1, 2, and the third battery goes in. Powered on. Oh, let's pop straight off. That's a problem. Come on. What's up with you? Battery compartment's a little bit tight, but that'll do. We're on. We're in. Happy. So that's now supplying 4.5 volts to the board. That is off. So let's have a go. Good sound, we've dropped everything up for. Right, I'm plugging in now and I'm on. Let's turn it on. Hello. I've got on the screen, so this is not a language. Bad command. Bad command. See, it works. Take it over there. This actually works. I've got cap locks. Keyboard works absolutely spot on. There's a bad ghosting on there, so I'm guessing something's not right with the BNC. This is actually working. Possibly the RF modulator is not very good, but it's said bad. Turn that bloody light off, you can't see a chuffing thing. Yeah, for some reason this actually works. Delete 10. I want to not all but one dot. 10. Print. Everybody did this. Bad command. So there's something not right with the actual chips on this, I'll have a guess at. So, power supply works, but I will get this replaced anyway. So, let's not waste too much time. Let's get that off. Right. Where to now? Where to now? Do we try the other one? Yeah. Yeah, let's try it. So I've got no problems on whether or not this actually will work or not. This should work perfectly. So I'm going to do the same as what I just did. Power supply in, batteries in, and we're back to you in a second. Right, we're all fully in. And turn that off. The switch on there is really stiff, but that's turned off. BNC connector in, batteries are in, power supply is plugged in and on the board in the right places. So let's, power's on, switch on. Right, we have power on again. Let me show you what it does this time. The font is a lot bigger. This is not a language. Keyboard works. That is a lot better on the screen there than the other one. So, yeah. These appear to work without any problems. I didn't fully doubt that these would, because when I got these from Todd, she did seem like they would work anyway. So once I figure out how to get past that bit, is it the power light? Yeah. Power on, cap lock, shift lock. Okay, so these actually. So a little bit of cleaning down, faffing and fettling. These do work as best as I can. Yeah, thumbs up. So, do I change? I know there's more stuff to do on this, but do I change? Yes, I do. Because it'll guarantee that it's not going to blow up over the next 20 years, 30 years. So yeah, I'm going to get on with changing that. So I've got bought them anyway, I might as well. So let's get stripped. I'm quite happy that works. I'm impressed that it's actually working. And it's still going in background. So this is bad command, break, load, searching. Oh, that says searching. Okay, and I have got drives for this. I know you can't see. Oh, look at this. Here, look. Oh, searching. It actually works. It's gone off now, but yes. A little bit of ghosting on there. I can see, I'm not sure whether or not you can see it there. Yeah, there it is. So, yeah. These actually work. So, right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to end the video there with the power off. And I'm going to strip the power supplies down, both of them. Both a bad command, but maybe it just doesn't say it needs something on it anyway to make it go to right, okay, because I only had a BBC or access to a BBC model being not a master, so I'm kind of new at this. But yeah, I'm bloody happy with that. These actually both work perfectly. So yeah, end the video there. I'm going to get power supplies out, and I'm going to get on with replacing parts on that. So let's get on with, yeah, really happy with that. So thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one video to get this thing completely fixed and done, and have the flash drive-ish sort of thing attached to it, and get some games on this thing. So see you later, see you next video, bye bye.